Bia Kamal ka Nuer TV to kon ka raj mi jidid mi bukon lingwase me bana okay straight to the point Kenyam mecha gor denter manyang the Nuer politician who are member of SPLM will go to SPLM house or parliament direct to address the same concern hostile and friendly. Jo chala da wude shalke Dr. Lomuro jen ba address on bejan waka yekel kajan channel me Nuer TV gorno jen bijan waka nasin kokien gore jaban en go jender subscribe kode notification bell de jotwan ba ko de la titende kan chamala shub wude me jen wude shalke Dr. Lomuro Dr. Lomuro ramkel rekum ka kirma yadit so bajo me beja nywaka ya te ke jo ci calling gwase dan me shala dan go January ga da kareo te ke hostile Nuer e ka friendly Nuer ki te ke hostile counties e ka friendly counties re do Nuer jala dan no county ni chop ka bangwan e ke ne ke hostile ki ke jetar kume county ni dang baro e ke county ni to go no shola Nuer ti ke bad Nuer ke ti ke good Nuer na mo shala do jen yerne sho Nuer ke kujamo baaje yikti so warga dan shakul gor Nuer community re which ka juba jen gor mon wo banyo ga yekel kan kono niam please ko subscribe mi jiram jidit ka channel me gor jen wo de channel ma der wo niam ban warga dan shagor gwada me Nuer community ban jeling kenyam ban turu me ban jenen na me wala en wala shanka jandang rawid bangon ka pay ngwan ron kina dang rawid jandang rawid dich Nuer community shiga barar ka peng mudire way ka juba ko bawude shal ka me Dr. Lomuro baaje teach kamandana lode la men cha kwen ka ke be yenon warga ken lat ken longon wude me mishal ke Dr. Lomuro gor ka jen o jen ba yig resign re kuma ka kirma yadit wi ko amdana tetin ka do badana ce shion wer ce je yar ka je ramimo take a position ka kuma ka be community radian ba je level no ka hostile ki ka friendly so no mo wajen ko yar shion wer ko de fam ni shion wer so kwa je su ko je na mo jala ne nwari na mu we kanen gude me a ce jen wi ko amde wa ba legal action ba nyogo makan ka je ka kwide ko ce do mi je ce jala Nuer community ci kan mo ci kana lat ba mandana sha gor gwad be je nyoga yekel ko gwan en wode koneling Dr. Lomuro me roje te ka witi shala no ka witi je ga long ti ci kum ce dewuten so no mo ajen me jak Nuer community ko bi kan warga mi shit kana me bi kana gor Nuer community dan gor warga okay leba Nuer community en gor warga gwata me Nuer leadership peace forum re which ka juba baje kwen yen warga ka tok English kenyam baje kwen ka tok Naath mat so chana na me chana jelingwa me gor jen warga ni ka diok na me mendo dien but kenyam bana na me bana je guch ne de content gor warga me ken gor mono banyo ga yekel gwada me ken kononiam ko gor kono bantin kon lat kurin ban ko kon ngai kenyam ne de kono gor warga me kajen Nuer forum me Nuer leadership forum bana ne de kono gor warga bana ka guch ramadana gor warga me kaneri shop ke dis ko do bana shalat ke je kaji kana tan chut kamenen yana mo gwada mo Honorable General James Osmai ajaramanyam ajaraman ci tan ajan chairman no ramarewde wa chairman Nuer leadership peace forum muko kon rage kwide men tama shiro janyal ko bi ken wude shalga Dr. Lomuro bi ken wo tiech kamandana lode muko Nuer ko lebel no te ka hostile ka te ka friendly no shala do na me kel kweren yaman ci warga ci tan warga me Honorable General James Osmai Nuer leadership peace forum South Sudan Juba ramarewde Honorable Dr. John Joyful Deputy Chairman and Chairman of Nuer Community Council, Honorable Asin Dong Gatpai and Chairman of Fanga Community, Ngwandian Honorable Michael Shanjie Guy, Acting Deputy Chair and Acting Chairman of Bentiu Community, Ramadidian Honorable Wiekwan Deputy Chairman and Chairman of Eastern Jikeny. Nediti akani konin chitanga jan wargame ne meneko la copy dung nenten konin te social media ko biken mandan and lat ketonga mi bikene kule jek. So neme jen akani konin chitan so be chuo kamandan and lat wargame jeki men lado gwata me ko gor jen o de yen lingo gwa. Beje kwen ya ka tok English ko biajeling. Chikana larne gwasame. The Nuer Leadership Peace Forum and the entire community are deeply concerned with the deteriorating security situation in South Sudan in a specific area such as Central Equatoria, like Lanya, Morobo, Yei, Lobonok, and the periphery of Juba, Western Equatoria, Meridi, Yambio, Anzara, and Tumura, Eastern Equatoria, Timishal Kayamakwi, Warap, Lakes, cattle wrestling among the Sistral State of Unity, Warap Merowing administrative area, fighting between the use of Tush Mayadit and Abiy, fighting in area of Apanal or Nasser and Wolang, and frequent attacks related to cattle wrestling in area of Jonglei State and Pibor administrative area. In this context, it revealed that fighting is sporadically happening across most part of the country, including the home county of the cabinet minister, Honorable Dr. Lomuro, this guy right here, okay, Dorian Bongo the Nuer Newsroom, and not particularly in the areas inhabited by the Nuer, as indicated in his damaging statement by Dr. Elia, aka Equatoria Civic Forum Chairman Honorable Martinelia Lomuro has never called for press statement in all this schemage attack to profile these counties as hostile and friendly to government. We assume the statement on date 26 or April 26, 2025 by the Honorable Minister was aimed to brief the people of South Sudan on the status of peace and how government is addressing the current crisis in the country as a primary responsibility in accordance with the Transitional Constitution of the Republic of South Sudan 2011 as amended 2018 Chapter 3 Part 4 Article 53 A, C, and E read together. However, Dr. Martin Elia chose to divert from primary role of the government to his own conviction and dishonestly profiling and defaming the identity of Nuer. The question we are asking the people of South Sudan is, who is Honorable Martinelia Lomuro, and what did he contribute to this country to qualify him profiling the Nuer into hostile and friendly counties? Honorable Dr. Martinelia is a well-known figure who was openly opposing and fighting the SPLA during the struggle. One of his mischievous action was throwing a rotten egg to late leader of SPLA, Dr. John Gering de Mabur in London. Dr. Elia is known figure for inciting and fueling conflict even in his own community of Wundroba, Juba, Lanya County. Name warga dana shagor and Nuer community could continue a benegwa the me lat ketin konin jer konin lat enono generam kel mi wala kola ka tu ga dano da level Nuer no kanedi jeg ekte kanedi jeg technique to go so name a misha log Nuer community so jena dana gor no de nywa yakel Dr. Martin Lomuro men gore ke jelong antame ojen gorge jen wada resign and Nuer community tintega forum manana shanen kenishine gor wudame ku resign komen shalat mi jega long ngum ngeje long ku Nuer e baka level no ke hostile ke friendly hostile aram gwanter friendly aram mat na mo chaje look and weren content we kwam kel kenir kontila jang kel kenji kotori adato ken tinapin kirma yadit so ne me chalo go mani kan wer konde kel ke kir shirme ngai kona social media no men chala da wudi shal Dr. Martine tena na lwang che chaje duch so ajena dan en gorno de nywa yekel ka jen gwada me Dr. Martin cheme jek chep so teram met ke je right now anime dom bikir me yadit shirke Michael Makwelwet andana ku jele influence ano in wala na me ko jana che kwen karwade kwalo nung ni jeje kwalo jonje kwen me so baram gor bejelar so mu kwaje su chaje bisu karwade ko dong kwalo jonje kwen is just a servant lat kene je jonje wala rene okay so ramadana bati ramadana gor no mo ba joti dong jena kan wera mo nuera kwijena mo nuera kontre ki jubatin kula wen uyen garme uyen gore ko resign dong nuer kel bore dun dong jelen mission ma gore je bon go ba tar ba janga keliu ano ben nuer be ka level ko kone ideal content ke social media ngai ne mandana le rode re wujina nan tin tin ke juban go chi chan nuer sha ka gor let's say it gwado dane shano ya nakten ko lankane Nasser ke longoshuk wi diala kono ya no nakten janki as SPDF kan yen go condemn why shen bu condemn nut kana me mission ware bu kwetina ne no larje ngo ike hostile ike friendly countries ne tere wen waren winemi mishiga yen kujela meda ke rwanda to de ka ngajidi and go can't in the tea can't in the jack so and yen were content kwashi man kele na kan yen tin content karek tin jagudu mako ba mishir kana ma bajalat cause awara la learn karam da antika kel mishir ne ka cheka respect man da mambo mdin kel ba chene go ba cheka respect so garame ko nwere ko ga disrespect ko ngeje yen were content kel gaje ku yen were ba ku yen ka disrespect so ko kuje mo man lade kaye chuon ka ye bat kene ko ne kon linga am jeglong so che chure je de nong godan tin weraten godan lar je no ke kon style keke kene re kon la kirma yad of course ko kon style keke ko ne na ka ye de yen kula ji markede ma yen ji ter so neme jena dana gora de nyaga ye kel wuri shal ga Dr. Martina cherode moy ka me do dien cherode kap mi jek so cherong reide ana baje ku guj me benwer community re ku juba me bugana ku lele ko chala do ken walle bugu ka parliament bikan me bukan person ka kir ma yadit ana ba man dande la region ku dem gudu mo baje lat non gor ka longo wajen bari ba yig resign men chala chimo go ki benwer bugu wa wonyam jan jawran ci kan lat goye nyogane di ko ken en biata kamal bye bye